So I want to quickly go over a tool called Screencastify. It's a great free web-based tool that allows you to record your screen in case you want to do any sort of virtual learning. You could highlight different things while presenting. So just search Screencastify. You'll see this option and you can add it to Chrome, but as you can see, mine is already installed. When you're ready to use it, just go up top here. You might see it there. If not, if you're like me and you have too many extensions, press these three little dots and you'll see it over here. Looks just like that. You can hover over it and see it. I'm going to select it, and then I get another option like this. The free version only allows you 5 minutes. I've never felt the need to upgrade because you could always record a few minutes, stop, and then record a few minutes. So you'll note that you can record either the tab or the whole desktop or this webcam if you want. You can embed the webcam. There's a few other options. 3-second countdown. So I'm going to leave it like that, and when I press record, you'll see the camera down there. I'm going to choose to record the entire screen, and you'll get a 3 count. 2, 1. And now we're recording. You can move this camera around, which is a neat option. You can hide yourself if you don't want to show yourself. And when you click around, you'll notice that you see the little clicker, which is great. You could turn that off and on. You could draw things out. Let's say this is a Google presentation and you want to highlight certain things for your students. You could circle that, which is neat, and then move forward. And then it stays with the website, which is really neat. And if you want, you could erase it. So it's a great tool for highlighting certain things and making a virtual presentation. Let's say you have a Google slide. You can look through it. You can annotate right on top of the slide. Welcome to Community Technology Night 2020, students. This is what we're going to talk about today. Hello, and you see me clicking. My name is Mike Padilla, and I'll be your teacher for this virtual day. Whatever it is you want to do, and when you're done, remember the free version only allows you 5 minutes. When you're done, just go back up top to here, press that, and you'll see the options. And I am going to stop the recording. You could pause it for some reason if you want to, trash it. I'm just going to stop this for now. And when I stop it, you'll notice that it opens up a new tab. Close this one out. This shows the video you just recorded. It gives you very minimal editing options, but it's nice. You could trim the beginning, trim the end, look through it, make sure it's exactly how you want it. What I like to do here, though, is I download it. Well, first I export it as MP4. And then when that's done, I download it because I like to edit on my own. Some people might not feel the need to edit. You think it's fine. You could save it that way, post it to Google Classroom or wherever you want it. I personally like to edit a little more. It's really up to you. Another neat thing to note is that it goes directly to your Google Drive. You have a Screencastify folder. There it is. I've already done a couple today. And so you can get it from your drive. And that's that. Once you have it, like I said, you can share it, you can edit it, but it's a really neat tool for capturing your screen. Thanks.